Hello everyone, today we are going over the marking tool, a couple troubleshooting tips for mounting on the tools onto the little punch press. So for the marking tool you have this base punching press here and then the marking tool. So these can be different designs. So this is a 2x8 line here that gets deposited of the tape. We also have circles, we also have smaller lines, a smaller circle option. And if you needed anything special, we could also make something custom. So this mounts with these precision pins onto the back here. So the thing is, it's a little tricky to get these on because they're not threaded or anything. They're just like really tight tolerance pins. So it's a little bit difficult to get them on. So what you want to do is use a rubber mallet like this or a small plastic hammer. So these I usually include in the orders, but these can also be found in shelving kits. So when you go to build a shelf, usually you get one of these hammers. So I always have a ton of these lying around. So this really is going to be your friend for mounting this. So what you want to do first is you can take this whole back piece off by adjusting these two screws on the side. So you can see the screw on the left and the right, and it comes right off. This you also want to adjust when you're setting the height of the sample. So if you have a very thick sample, you want to set it a little higher, so rest just on the sample, and if you have a thin sample, rest it lower. Okay, so we want to mount these pins into these holes. So basically you line up which one you want, and you kind of balance it out, and then what you want to do is start hitting it and tapping it on each side. So I usually like to do this on a piece of cloth or also like a piece of wood. If you have a little bench and you have a couple little cut 2x4s, it helps quite a bit for mounting these. So basically you tap on each side, tap on the top, tap on the bottom until it gets mounted. And then when you want to dismount, what you want to do is use a really tiny finish nail like this. So I include a couple of these in the order just because I have a whole pack and I know they fit. So basically you go around on the back side and put it in the hole that you want to eject, and you just start tapping it. Then you put it on the other side, tap it a little bit, tap, tap each side, and it falls out. So again, that's on the back side. You'd have the pins right in there. You tap in the hole with the little nail and the rubber mallet to eject it. So you won't be changing them too often, but that's an overview. One other thing, sometimes these get stuck, so you just need to either push it down again or maybe pry it again with the same nail a little bit, and then it will eject. If you have any questions on the marking tool, you can visit us at universalgripco.com. Thanks for watching, everyone.